Ladies and gentlemen, your Dr. Benson and Albert, number 3, beyond the I'm the thing for honestly, number 36, Arnold Garrison. And left wing report to Saskatchewan Alpha, number 19, John Brady Liverpool. And center from Ontario, number 20, Brady Clippers. And right wing from Ontario, number 7, David Clarkson. And starting and roll from number 45, Jonathan and the Curse. You just keep coming.
A tire spot?
Good start.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please rise, remove your hats, and join Gord Clark in the singing of our national anthems. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare of our bursting here did prove through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love, in all thy sons command. With glowing hearts we see thee ride, the true north strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee.